Hey everyone, are you trying to connect iTunes with your iPhones with the help of data cable and it's not going to connect? And then that condition, how do you especially fix it? We will see step by step with real demonstrations, guys. Right now, we can see with the connected data cable. However, this iTunes is not going to connect or configured with especially. Even if especially this is a 3U tool, this is also not a connecting. So how do you fix it? Right now, if we disconnect this iTunes, and once again if I open this, however this is not a connecting, but data cable already connected with a device with computer, but right now it's not a connecting. So easy procedure, we will come on a 3U tool we will have to tap on a especially toolbox, connect your data cable with phones, and thereupon here is a one option that is a iTunes utility. Of course, utility just this one, we will pick this one, and here we will have an option. So let it fetch the options. Now here is a repair driver, iTunes uninstalls and install iTunes and the more version of iTunes. So just we will go for especially repair of this, and we will click here to repair it. Everything's okay, but however it's not going to connect, so we will have to once again do a download options to repair, and when we click on or tap on the repair fix, then it would be a definitely. Now that we can see here on this iTunes it has been connected. Just to let me have this ones. No, still it is not connected, but we will have to wait, let it fix, and then yes, I show you easiest way ever you can fix this iTunes on any especially operating system, either it is a Windows 10, 11 or 7 or 8.1. So on it especially you will have to apply a similar step by step and you will be able to fix. Now everything is going to be now see right now uninstalled, and then automatically it will try to fix by installing it, and then further we will see. So let's see, I'm trying to the result of that. It is still it is not completed. Yes, we will have to wait here, and then of course we will go for it. So still it is trying to switch alignment the repairing. So of course we're trying to of course repair. So we are waiting for especially. Now it has been completely completed, and of course this phone has been connected now. What you see, guys, how easily it has been fixed. Now within 1 minute, guys. Now we will close. If iTunes is not the close, then we will have to tap on this. Now it has been the close. Now once again we will try to open iTunes, and we can see here now iTunes is fully functional and it is completely connecting with device. Now how? Here we can see this one. So this is all about, guys, in this video tutorial, and thank you for staying the tail end of this tutorial. Hi, this is a technological friend. We'll be back with step by step with new tutorial. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share of this content, because it really supports the channel and also inspire us to make it such as informative tutorial, so maybe beneficial for someone who is needed genuinely, guys. So thank you for watching technological friend. Have a great time. Bye bye.